Hello, so today I have two pieces of mail. This one is actually from Zoya. This one is from Listia. We'll just start with the Listia real quick. This is from Idaho. Alright, so she sent a nail file, which I think these come with a nail file inside, but she still sent it. And I just love the design of these. They're so pretty. Blue and some silver gradient looking design from Essie. I have not tried these, but I have a few of them. So I will get around to trying them and see if they work very good or not. For these I paid 7,050 credits, which is just over $1. Not very much at all. I don't know how much the Essie nail strips are if you were to buy them in person. I'm not sure. Alright, and getting into the box here, this is actually, I paid $20 for a Cyber Monday deal. It's like a mystery box or something. I paid $20 for it, so let's see what came in it. Got some packing peanuts. Cyber Monday mystery box, that is what it's called. So let's see here. And that looks like it's everything. It's hard to see around the peanuts, but I think that's it. So first off, we have Healthy Color of Fashion. It says that this is the fall color chart. And it looks like a little booklet as well. So fall 2015 colors, and then a booklet about the naked manicure. Ooh, pretty. All the pretty colors. The new color of fashion. I've never gotten a booklet like this from them. Their new matte velvet line, which I saw those as well. Big display, big profits. So just a little booklet to go with it. And here is the box. Like I said, $20 for this. Let's see what's in it. Welcome to your mystery box. Celebrate, correct, and protect mystery box. So I did not know that it was part of the naked manicure. But it looks like Celebrate the Holidays with Zoya plus Red Book limited edition colors, each named after a woman with an amazing story. Correct and strengthen natural nails with naked manicure, naked base, glossy seal, and pink protector. Protect your lips with the world's most intense lip balm. Cutica Lip Repair Balm helps to heal and seal severely dry, cracked, and irritated lips. And then a coupon for 50% off my next order of $50. Here is the perfecting guide, so how to use the naked manicure. Let's see what this is. From Cutica, looks like an information booklet, intense treatments. So a couple of things in this little booklet here. Then we have, alright, so it looks like this is, okay, so it's just a little bit of everything, it looks like. Oh, that was loose. Got my scissors here. Let's open this up. Let's see what's in it. So this says Zoya. Big 5 free nail polish. So it looks like this is a polish. It's a little baby one. Okay, so this is the Naked Manicure Perfector. So it does look like these are small sizes, not completely full. That's okay. Let's see, then we have the Naked Base. So this one looks like it's a full size Naked Base. I'm just gonna set the boxes aside for now so we can see what else in all of these, and then I might need the boxes for later. This is the Naked Manicure Glossy Seal. And then we have the Intense Repair Lip Balm from Cutica. Intense Repair. And then we have some Zoya 3-in-1 Formula Remover, which I thought about buying the Remover Plus because I had seen a lot of people using that. Alright, so these look like they might be 3 polishes. So let's get this open. Alright, so there are 3 of them. So let's see here. The first one, can't get it out. Ooh, they're funny looking packages. Oh no, they're not. They're regular. It was just crooked. Okay, so anyways, this is Renee. It's a really pretty red Renee. And then we have, this one is Cindy, and it looks like a shimmer polish with some chunky glitter. And the last one, this is Marjorie, and it looks like a purple shimmer polish. It's like a purple glitter. And that's it. That is the mystery box for $20. Not that bad considering I know just the 3 polishes are $9 each. So right there is $27 just in the polish. Plus you got some of the Naked Manicure. So all in all, I think it's a pretty good deal for 20 bucks. Like I said, it was the Cyber Monday mystery box. So it's probably not still available, but I did get an email. That's how I knew about it. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.